When you think about Mardi Gras, the history of it, there's this constant evolution of things changing. The parades that were happening 200 years ago look nothing like what's happening today. Sustainability is that next iteration of Mardi Gras. We're already seeing crews doing this on their own. So the idea of more sustainable throws, having recycling on the Mardi Gras route, this is just this new evolution of Mardi Gras that makes it more welcoming and open to other people.
I used to go to parades as a kid, and you only caught a small bag full of beads and doubloons, and if you did, that was a good night. That has changed dramatically over time with the size and scale of it, and of course the waste impact, which can be as much as 2.6 million pounds of trash left out in the street just in the 11 days of carnival season.
Mardi Gras is a crazy time of consumption and having fun and being carefree, but it's also a time of the year where we waste a lot of resources. The best case scenario is that it ends up in a landfill. The worst case scenario is that it ends up in our waterways. And so we really want to just prevent that from happening as much as possible and recycle as much material as we can.
Recycle That is an initiative that was started by the City of New Orleans and New Orleans and Company. We looked at Mardi Gras being the biggest event that draws people to New Orleans every year. We recognized there was a need for us to do our part to be more sustainable. This year, the goal was to really expand on what had been done previously with the hubs on the parade route located strategically on St. Charles for people to recycle.
We will be doing aluminum cans, they will be doing glass bottles, and they will be doing parade throws.
If you stay to the end of a parade and you see the level of neglected throws that stay out on the route after the parade, it's pretty shocking.
And so our main goal with Recycle That is just to ensure that we can salvage as much of those resources as possible and make Mardi Gras a little bit more sustainable.
This is part of our efforts overall as a city to be more sustainable for our visitors and for our residents. Having the same convenience that people have in other cities to recycle, to be more energy efficient, to be more conscious of the impact that we have on the city. Mardi Gras is this great thing that represents New Orleans to the world. So the importance of that being more sustainable, more environmentally friendly is really important to kind of shape the way people look at our city.